Aiming was my intention today, not my intention of crash, but the intention of start and push. Because I know that maybe the others try to manage a little bit the tires, but just I start and push. I mean, I give everything in the beginning. Was my intention, and because like this, you know, I will sleep well today. Okay, I crashed, but I showed to myself that I can. So this was my intention today, and yeah, I mean, inside of finish the race and finish in 12th place, 13th place, 10th place. Today was the day to take some risks. Tomorrow we have a test. Tomorrow is an important day, more important than today. But yeah, part of that, happy. Yeah, of course, we are in a difficult moment, and we will not arrive in Sachsenring and will change everything. I mean, we are in a difficult moment because I'm not helping the bike for my conditions, but the bike is not helping me. So this combined together, I mean, we are in a very deep situation. I mean, we are in a very difficult situation, but we are on the same board. We need to work. We need to continue working. Believe, never give up, and yeah, in the end, we are on the bottom now. So to start to uphill the mountain, we must to work hard now for try to be better in the future.